Assalamualaikum. I am Zainam Imran. Welcome to Math Easy with Math Mentor. In this video, I will explain you angles on a straight line. This is from exercise 10A D1 question 5. So first I will explain A part. So angles on a straight line mean all the angles will be on the straight line. So this is the straight line. For example, its name is AOB. And then this is the common arm. This is, for example, angle A. So you have to find the unknown angle, and this angle is 33 degrees. This is acute angle, and the angle A is obtuse angle. So angles on a straight line are the angles that are found when two or three angles share a common vertex. This is the common vertex and lie on a straight line AOB. A straight line angles always measure up to 180 degrees. So the sum of all the angles on the straight line equals to 180 degree. So what are the points that you are going to remember? Angles on a straight line equals to 180 degree. 180 degree, share common vertex, common arm is even, and they form a straight line. So let's solve. First you are going to make a equation like all these two angles, A plus 33 equals to 180 degrees. So I told in my previous video as well, so you have to write the reason why it's equals to 180 degree, because sum of angles on a straight line equals to 180 degree. Now as you read in algebra that you will bring this 33 to right side and sign will be changed. So A equals to 180 minus 33. A equals to 147. Now always I told that please check your answer by substituting the value. If you substitute the value of A over here 147 and add 33, you will get 180. If you are getting 180, it means your answer is correct. I hope it's clear to you. Let's do B part. B part is, this is the straight line and there are three angles on this straight line. Okay, so the angles are given. This is B angle. You have to find this B unknown angle. This is 42 degree and this is 73 degrees. So all these are acute angles. So let's write the equation first. So all these three angles you are going to add up and the sum equals to 180 degree. You can write adjacent angles on a straight line. This is the reason. On a straight line, I am writing the short form of straight line. Now B plus, you are going to add these two angles, 73 and 42 is equals to 115 equals to 180. Now as you know, you will bring this 115 to right side and sign will be changed. It's plus, over there it will become minus. So B equals to 65 degrees. Again you will add, if you are going to add 73, 42 and B is 65, their sum equals to 180 degree. I hope it's clear to you. Okay, let's do C part. This is the straight line. You can say AOB. Now there are three angles again. Okay. This angle is 4C. This is C. And this angle is 80 degrees. Okay, so again, first thing you are going to write the equation C plus 80 equals to 180 degree, and reason is adjacent angles on a straight line. Now in algebra you have read that 4C and 1C, they are, you can add like terms. If variable is same, you can add it. So it will become like these two, you are going to add 4C and 1C equals to 5C plus 80 equals to 180. Again, you will bring this 80 to other side, right side, the sign will be changed, minus 80, 5C equals to 100, and now here it's multiplying, 5 is multiplying with C, so when you will bring that to right side, so you are going to divide by C. So C equals to 20 degrees. C is 20 here, 20 plus 80 plus 20 is 100, so 4C, it will be 80. So 4 into 20 equals to 80. So when you add these all three angles, your sum equals to 180 degree. I hope it's clear to you. Thank you so much for watching.